Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Kenya together. This is Gakuyuini from the Kirinyaga region. The varieties are SL28 and SL34, and the process is Kenya washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webpage.
To release all flavors of Gakuyuini into your cup, prepare 250 grams of third wave water at 95 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh out 16 grams of beans and grind them on click 24 using your Comandante. This leads to a lovely rich acidity and good body. To avoid unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake to filter for an even extraction. We do 3 pours. Pour 1, 40 grams over 5 seconds, circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roasting process. Pour 2 starting after 20 seconds, 105 grams over 15 seconds, soft circular pouring extracting the sweetness and the fruity flavors. Pour 3 starting at 50 seconds, the last 105 grams over 10 seconds, circular with a bit more agitation. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 15 seconds, leading to an even and more balanced extraction. After the total brew time of 2 minutes and 40 seconds, you can enjoy the flavors of vanilla, Earl Grey tea, rose jelly, sweet lemon and black cherry in your cup of Gakuyuini from Kenya.